Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Release date and time update 1.3 Genshin Impact. The release date for Genshin Impact as I'm sure most of you already know, is Wednesday, February 3rd. At least, that's when maintenance will begin, at 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 11 p.m. Central Europe Time, to be exact.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Venti will probably come back at some point, and in the long term, he might not maintain his current high-tier rank. Plus, there aren't really bad Genshin Impact characters per se, so you're never inconvenienced by lacking a Venti. With some planning, you can always build a team around so-called weak options.
Take our lead.
Genshin Impact developer MiHoYo won't stop updating this game. Approximately every 6 weeks, MiHoYo releases an update for their flagship game. Version 1.3 is the third major update to Genshin Impact and is set to launch in February. The update will bring brand new events and characters.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Genshin Impact leveling, how to increase your adventure rank fast. Complete daily commissions. By far the best way to gather a lot of adventure experience without the need to invest a lot of time, is by completing daily commissions for the Adventurers Guild. Hunt bosses. Clear domains. Adventurer's Handbook experience. Complete quests.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.